People Helping People Newsletter, Volume 1, Issue 3, Supporting the Life You Choose. Welcome to the PHP Newsletter. We're here to brighten up your day with some inspiring stories, highlights on our amazing members and staff, some educational health tips, updates on technology, and much more. Member Spotlight featuring Dylan. Dylan's passion and creativity is communicated in different ways, and he has already shown success in many different areas. From his interest in film to his natural ability to create music, he is a well-established figure in the community. In addition to his creative side, Dylan is a long-standing advocate for neurodiversity. Check out Dylan's work in films, activism, music, and writing on his website at dylanrothbein.weebly.com, and be sure to stay tuned for the PHP Member Spotlight video starring Dylan, which will be on our website, Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. See back of the newsletter for social media links. People Helping People. PHP donated over 5 boxes of food and necessities to the Puerto Rican Family Institute in light of the recent disastrous Hurricane Maria that left people in the community without food or electricity. Page 3. Winter is coming. It is important to take extra care during the cold weather season. Some conditions may limit sensory abilities and the ability to maintain body heat, so be particularly vigilant about staying warm when you are out in low temperatures. Get the flu shot and take a daily multivitamin. For example, vitamin C, D, iron, zinc, and folate. Exercise, stay hydrated, and carry hand sanitizer at all times. Protect your skin by always carrying lotion, sunscreen, and wearing multiple layers of clothing.
Thank you.
Wear thermal gloves underneath mittens to keep your hands warm, or carry hand warmers. See more tips on how to stay healthy and safe in the winter here. http://bit.ly/2x1mqmu. Education Station. Accessibility on Apple Watch. The Apple Watch is now the first smartwatch able to track wheelchair pushes as well as steps. This encourages users to meet daily goals, burn more calories, and nudges them to keep moving throughout the day. For 2.2 million people who use manual wheelchairs, staying active each day is extremely important to reduce health risks such as diabetes or
You don't even
stroke.
know. I went out to dinner with my parents
Logisticare app.
Sunday,
As of November
and we went
1st,
to Press,
all community-based
and they got
PHP
this,
members can utilize Logisticare's TripAdvisor application and Member Services web portal for all non-emergency transportation needs. Trip Manager is an easy, convenient, and accessible way to schedule and manage your trips without having to call Logisticare. It's fast and easy. The app is available for free download on Android and Apple smartphones, and the portal can be accessed by any computer using this link: http://bit.ly/Logisticare web portal. Reach out to your care team if you have any questions or need any assistance. Page 4. Get active. Adaptive exercise routine. Wrap a lightweight resistance band under your chair, bed, or couch and perform rapid resistance exercises, such as chest presses for a count of 1 second up and 2 seconds down. Try several different exercises to start, with 20 to 30 reps per exercise, and gradually increase the number of exercises, reps, and total workout time as your endurance improves. Simple air punching, with or without hand weights, is an easy cardio exercise from a seated position and can be fun when playing along with a Nintendo Wii or Xbox 360 video game. Some gyms offer wheelchair training machines that make arm bicycling and rowing possible. For a similar exercise at home, some portable pedal machines can be used with hands when secured to a table in front of you. The Access Project, a multidisciplinary center in Manhattan at 1325 Fifth Avenue, New York, that motivates people with physical disabilities to pursue a healthy, active lifestyle. The center is open 6 days a week and is designed specifically for people with physical disabilities and has all equipment accessible to people of all abilities. PAL Program Coordinator has the contact for the Access Project if a member is interested. For more exercise tips, visit thehelpguide.org and the article on chair exercises and limited mobility fitness. Solve the riddles. I do your assessments and manage your care, and when you need help, I'll always be there. Who am I? Stethoscopes, band-aids, and x-rays galore. When you come to me, it's never a bore. I'll run all your tests and order some more. Who am I? Pins, shoes, and balls all create happy echoes off the walls. Get a strike, chase the spare, roll a ball without a care. What sport am I? Answer to number 1 is care team. Answer to number 2 is doctor. And answer to number 3 is bowling. Tips. Did you know that you can search for a provider on our website? Go to phpcares.org/our network to search for your doctor and make sure that your doctors are in our network. Page 5. Get out there. Check out the list below for all the fun and recreational activities happening near you. In New York City, at the Brooklyn Public Library, there are numerous activities offered on the website. There is a free art day in the beginning of December. The Holiday Train Show. Watch in wonderment as the model trains zip through tunnels by subway stops around familiar skyscrapers through iconic cityscapes at the New York Transit Museum Gallery Annex and store shuttle passages. This will be running from the beginning of December till February. In Westchester and Rockland, the Emmeline Theater has performances for all ages. The Rye Historical Society in Westchester and Rockland is putting on a Robert Rogers puppet company that is returning to the Square House on December 16th at 1 p.m. It's sure to delight children and adults alike. Admission fee is $10 per family. In Long Island, there is the Polar Express ride, where you can depart from the All-Star in Riverhead and travel north, interacting with a character from the movie and listening to Liam Nelson's reading of the Polar Express. It will be running from November until the end of December. You must get tickets in advance. At the Tilley Center at LIU, performances of the Nutcracker at LIJ Post and at the Tilley Center for the month of December. Get tickets in advance. PHP and AHRC. The PHP team sponsored the AHRC Nassau Art Show on September 7th, featuring many talented artists. Loretta, featured in the picture on the bottom left, is standing next to her outstanding work at the art show and is a member of PHP. PHP also participated in the AHRC Walk this year. Page 6. The PAL Program Progress. Lisa joined the PAL program over the summer. She loves art but couldn't find the right place to explore her talents with others. The PAL program linked her to a free art course through the New York City Parks and Recreation Department that takes place every week at a local park. Lisa said, "I loved it. It was very special, it was beautiful to meet other people, and it was very important and interesting to me." Interested in getting involved with the PAL program? Go to phpcares.org/get-involved to let us know if you know a person or an organization in the community that would like to be included as a resource. Media Highlight. Atypical is a show that premiered on Netflix this past year and centers around an 18-year-old boy in high school who is on the autism spectrum. The second season will be debuting in 2018. The Good Doctor. The Good Doctor is a show on ABC about Sean, who is on the autism spectrum and uses his extraordinary medical gifts to save lives and challenge the skepticism of his colleagues. Where Hope Grows. A movie where a baseball player whose professional career was cut short due to his personal problems is suddenly awakened and invigorated by a young man with Down syndrome who works at the local grocery store. Member and Care Team. Akeem and Josephine have developed a great bond at PHP. Josephine is Akeem's care coordinator and has been assisting him with getting into the PAL program as well as looking for an eye replacement. Reading recommendations. Lark and Termite by Jane Ann Phillips. The Center of Everything by Laura Montelleri. Up High in the Tree by Kiara Brinkman. Good Kings, Bad Kings by Susan Nussbaum. Page 7. PHP Cares. Nicole makes each day an opportunity to care about the people she works with and the members she supports. She is committed to being there at the right time in the right place to support relationships, achieve results, and to improve the quality of life for her members. She takes the initiative to problem-solve issues through effective and efficient collaboration. Staff and members appreciate Nicole because she is reliable and she makes things happen. Her care manager loves working with her because together they accomplish great things for their members. Between voting, changing programs, promoting self-direction, and healthy living recommendations, members have improved their health and well-being. Nicole observes people and identifies what is important to each person. It is priceless to watch hugs and hear the conversations the members have with Nicole. It is as if they have known each other for a long time. She takes the time to listen and will reinforce the support needed to help them with their goals. Thank you, Nicole, for the support you give each day. Jeff has been the Director of Informational Technology, IT, for a little over a year and has worked tirelessly to ensure that we are always prepared and up to date on the latest and greatest. He is always ready to make a joke and continually fixes our tech issues with a smile on his face saying, "If you knew how to do this, I would be out of a job." With Jeff's IT support, the care teams wouldn't have access to electronic health records or the ability to store information while they are out in the community meeting with our members. The ability to easily store, access, and update information on the go provides a seamless experience for our members to interact with their care team. Aside from being an IT guru, Monster energy drinker, and owner of the latest iPhone X, there is much more to Jeff. He is a proud father of 3 talented daughters who we have heard got the talent from his wife, an Army veteran, a big Yankee fan, avid unicyclist, and the ultimate office prankster. He is a team player, and we are lucky to have such a great addition to the PHP team.
Yay!
Self-direction. With self-direction services, you will be in control of choosing some or all of the supports that you would like. Jessica, right in the top picture, has been a member of Self-Direction for 3 years and loves being a part of it. Below are some points that make her happy to be a part of Self-Direction. More independence, more flexibility to choose own home and hire her own staff, and can choose where she wants to go in the middle of the day rather than asking or planning around other people. If your budget allows for recreation, it can also be used to attend fun events. Page 8, Who We Are. PHP, a not-for-profit organization offering Medicaid and Medicare covered benefits to eligible residents of New York City and its surrounding counties, Nassau, Suffolk, Rockland, and Westchester, was founded by long-time providers and services to people with IDD and their families. Instead of the long-standing practice of providing one-size-fits-all services to people with IDD, PHP is a mission-driven, person-centered organization dedicated to assisting individuals in pursuing the lives they choose. PHP's 5 founding partners, New York State's downstate AHRCs and ARCs, have over 6 decades of successful experience in delivering and making resources available to support individuals with IDD. You can follow us on Facebook at Partners Health Plan and on Twitter at PHP Care Complete.